Welcome to this new Pundit tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Pundit Annotator and Pundit Annotator Pro Chrome extensions on your Google Chrome browser. The first thing you have to do is go on the Pundit website at the URL thepund.it and then navigate to the Pundit Annotator page. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you can click on the button Add Pundit Annotator to Chrome. Then you just have to click on Add Extension, and you will see the Pundit Annotator icon at the top bar of the browser. You can install the Pundit Annotator Pro in the same way. Go to the Pundit Annotator Pro page on the site and scroll to the bottom. Click on Add Pundit Annotator Pro to Chrome, and then click on Add Extension. And again, you will see the Pundit Annotator Pro icon in the top bar of Google Chrome.